मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल का विवाद भितर आज सुप्रीमकोर्ट बड़ राय शुणाई। सुप्रीमकोर्ट कहते राज्यपाल पाखर रहिबो जमी पुलिस एवं आईन श्रृंखला क्षमता, सेपरी दिल्ली सरकार पाखर रहिबो कार्यपालिका क्षमता। तेबे सेवा ट्रांसफर नहीं दुई जणिया दल मध्य मतभेद देखा दुई जणिया जज भितर मतभेद देखा जस्टिस दीर्घ दिन हेब दिल्ली रे कहार हुकुम चलिबो ताकु नै विवाद लगी रही। विचारपति माने संपर्क में राय आज शुणाई। जस्टिस आशीष ने सुप्रीमकोर्ट द्वारस्थ होते दिल्ली सरकार। केजरीवाल सरकार आसवा दिन बारंबार दिल्ली उपराज्य
However, the issues being dealt with, where the constitutional, just for example, the constitutional bench very clearly said that it's only 1, 2 and 18 entries in the state list which actually fall within the domain of the central government. But the honorable two judges have varied in their decision. One saying that the services though lies within the domain of the Delhi government, but officers beyond a certain level will still continue to be appointed and transferred, and their ACRs and other things will be written by the central government. However, below a certain level will be by the state government, and in that also they have said that certain committees need to be constituted. So you are giving services to the Delhi government in one hand while taking it away on the other. As far as the other honourable judge is concerned, Honourable Justice Bhushan, he has differed with the decision of Justice Sikri, saying that services does not at all lie within the domain, even though it is entry 41 of the state list, which is not 1, 2 and 18, which falls in the reserved category. Despite that, for reasons mentioned therein in the judgment, he has differed and said that this lies with the central government. So therefore there is a difference of opinion. However, the appeal was being disposed of, so we have mentioned before the court while the judgment, after the judgment was pronounced, that it can't be disposed of since there are two judges and there is a difference of opinion in the two judgments. It needs to be referred to a larger bench. So the honourable bench has agreed with us and has now ordered that the matter has been referred to the honourable CJI for a larger bench to be constituted on this issue of services. As regards the other issues of ACB, the ACB has been the notification of the central government has been upheld. The judgment of the honourable High Court has been in that sense upheld, and ACB has been said to be within the domain of the central government. A couple of things like the appointment of special public prosecutors and government in the context of the circle rates, and that has been held to be the appropriate government has been held to be the Delhi government. In the case of commission of inquiries, again the appropriate government has been held to be the central government. So the other important aspect where the constitutional bench very clearly mandated that the state government will be the once taken a decision will implement its decision, and the LG though can differ, but the communication only needs to be made to the honourable LG. In that also I'll have to read the full text. There seems to be some confusion there as well. So all in all, it's a disappointing day, not for the Delhi government. Delhi government is only representing the Delhi citizens. It's a day when, based on the constitutional bench judgment, I think every single citizen of Delhi was wanting that there should be clarity one way or the other. But once again, it's been left in a limbo, and we will continue to fight the legal battle. I'm sure the Delhi government will continue to fight its own battle. Unfortunately, the people who are going to be the ones who are going to be shortchanged in this entire process.
सर, ये बताया जा रहा है कि ये
दिल्ली सरकार एवं दिल्लीर राज्यपाल भितर दीर्घ दिन धरी विवाद लगी रही। दिल्ली सरकार को राज्यपाल काम करने दौना बोली कहला बा लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर जी दिल्ली रोचे से काम करने दौना सरकार जहाँ निष्पत्ति नौकरी से मोहर मारूना बोली अभियोग होता जेहेतु दिल्ली केन्द्रशासित अंचल भितर जाऊँगी। तेणु एठारे राज्यपाल पाखरे कौन क्षमता रहिबो, सरकार पाखरे निर्वाचित सरकार पाखरे कौन क्षमता रहिबो ताकू नहीं बड़ द्वंद्व लगी रही। सुप्रीमकोर्ट एथिरे हस्तक्षेप करते मामला सुप्रीमकोर्ट को जाइथिला। विशेषकर दिल्ली सरकार सुप्रीमकोर्ट को कबाट बढ़ाई आज सुप्रीमकोर्ट एक बड़ गुरुत्वपूर्ण राय देइछन्ति। से कहिछन्ति जे जमी पुलिस आईन श्रृंखला एसबु क्षमता राज्यपाल पाखरे रहिबो, किंतु दिल्ली सरकार पाखरे कार्यपालिका क्षमता रहिबो, किंतु बदली नहीं क्या पाखे क्षमता रही से नहीं मतभेद देखा दुई जणिया खंडपीठ भितर।